right. What do you got?
Yeah.
What are you shooting? What do we got here?
9mm.
9mm round? What kind of pistol are we shooting here?
SIG SP 2022.
2022.
Don't let this go on the dark webs.
Yeah, this is a classified training
Facility.
Yeah.
Black location.
Black site.
Yeah. There goes the cables. Fucker.
I didn't see it. Still high. The last dinger you had was in the top center quadrant of that thing. Like, literally. Is it not locking back?
Tap rack roll.
It doesn't lock back when it's expended?
It's supposed to, but
Could be your mag
Okay.
springs getting wore out.
Yeah.
Top left.
Too high?
Yep, the one you did, the last dinger you had was top left.
Are the rest too high as well?
Yeah, all of them are high, yeah. So you were that one. The last dinger you had was center high. So you're still high.
Easy, flincher.
Ah, didn't lock back on the mag.
You need
The last one there, you went.
It's on you. First one, you were in the top quadrant, top right quadrant of that. Same spot.
Oh.
Low. All right, you have 2 unexpended rounds right here. Oh, let me go ahead.
Thanks not this government.
Well, when I tow the line, start racking this 45s off beside you, no ears.
You're left. You're on the left quadrant.
Watch the ropes. Dang it!